69 Fox.
69 Fox, go ahead.
Two things. One, requesting higher on Flatbush, and second, just almost ran into a gigantic RC airplane right over there, Floyd Bennett.
Interesting. He's not on my radar here. 69 Fox, do you think it was like somewhat like a drone, or like, can you describe it?
It was just an RC, one of the remote-controlled airplanes, a big one at 500 feet. 500
feet. Do you know what color or anything else?
It had some red and white on it, but it went by pretty quick.
Roger that, 69 Foxtrot. I don't pick it up on my radar at this time. We will report it to the NYPD so that maybe they can lift and check it out. I don't have any PD helicopters in the area, but we'll get on it.
Okay, I saw a couple other ones on the ground. Looked like they were getting ready to go up too.
Okay, so there was a few of them. Okay, thank you. And 69 Foxtrot, we just passed it along to PD Aviation. They're going to be taking a look at that 10 miles. And just to make sure, this was no factor to your aircraft, right?
Say again the last part?
Was it any factor to the aircraft?
No, I just missed it, but it was, I didn't hit it or anything.
All right. Do you want the number to call the tower just so that when we get this clarified, you can have an answer to that?
I think I still got it saved, but I'll be fine. Appreciate it, though. We'll check out whenever you can for 69 Fox.
All right. If you want the number, you ready to copy?
Stand by one. Does it end in 0627?
That's one of the numbers. There's another one as well, but if you want to call that one works too.
Okay, I have another one that ends in 8927 as well.
Yeah, all those work. So you can call either of those, and the first one preferably, and we'll get some answers for you.
Okay, thanks. I appreciate it. 69 Fox.
And just to make sure, it was at Floyd Bennett directly above?
Yeah, the northern part, there's a little, I don't know, little RC park or something that's there, but it was directly above that on the northern part of it.
Roger. Thank you so much for that. Use caution. There's numerous targets in the vicinity. Types are unknown. And radar service terminus, Glock VFR frequency changes approved.
Thank you, ma'am. We'll talk to you in a bit. 69 Fox.